Day 4 progress. Here is the new bed, and it actually, so her bed has mattress and box springs, sits 6 inches off the floor from the base of it because we measured it to do those baskets. You saw that in another video. But we went ahead and did this one, and it's actually, we thought, okay, it's gonna be lower, but it's actually not. It's almost the exact same height. This one doesn't have box springs. We possibly could if we wanted to. We just chose not to, because why? So it's sitting just fine, but it's really high off the floor, so we'll actually be able to use some really great under the bed storage for underneath her bed. But it looks really great. There'll be a whole different video of assembling it because that was a lot of film time. But here's Day 4 progress with the beds in here, and they're looking great. And so what I was trying to finish up doing before we surprised them with the bed was Day 3 progress was basically this shelving unit and getting this bed in here, this doll bed. So for now, they have all their makeup on top. Next one down looks like sewing stuff. Next one down looks like arts and crafts in a miscellaneous basket that I told them not to put in here because we need to reorganize that because it's really conjumbled. I don't like baskets with multiple things in there because then when you go to get one thing out but not the other, stuff ends up in the floor, which means more cleanup time, which means more prep time, and I really hate that. So they're actually going to take that one out, and we're going to replace it with smaller bins that separate out each item into separate things so that we're not ending up with stuff in the floor and cleaning constantly. The next one down is more arts and crafts stuff, and then there's also painting only on the bottom shelf. They also finished up their dressers for now. That was the trundle bed. When we first bought the trundle bed and fixed it, it actually had wheels on it, but after years and years of use, the wheels actually snapped off. And they were really cheap wheels anyways. It was the one thing we hated about this bed. We're considering trying to fix it up for Lego storage, but if we do, they can't put anything else under their bed, and anytime they try to get anything out, they would have to pull this entire thing out because this board piece actually covers underneath there. So we might actually be saying goodbye to the trundle bed and not be having it anymore. Had it for 9 years. I don't know why that feels weird. Anyways, so basically finished that up. They're finished up for today. And we will come back in whenever we finish the next stage of the reading. We're officially 3 weeks into this project, and we're all starting to go crazy because it seems like we keep hitting one delay after another. Right now, we're waiting on mattress covers to get here so we can put the mattresses back together because they don't have their mattresses on the bed, they have them on their floor. And right now, it's just really stressful. So we're hoping to get it finished up, and also like because the mattresses are still on the floor, we've lost access to like some of the storage shelves and things under the bed storage. So a lot of the stuff is still right here and needs to be stored, and it's been there for a week because had to order mattress covers and it's taking forever to get here. So we're like anxiously, not like anxiously, we're anticipating the mail to arrive today to drop off the mattress covers so we can get finished today. Oh, and did I mention we're also on a time frame because it's ASL class night. So let's see what we can do. My current goal for right now, they are out for delivery. They guarantee that they're out for delivery right now. I'm hoping that they get here. So the sheets that were on here before were actually blue, so they actually stain the mattress blue. And I really need to just clean this up, get a mattress cover on it. We should have one on it, but we end up not having the time to do that. So clean this up a little bit, and then possibly leave this on the plastic and just move it to here so we can get these under bed storage containers sorted and organized. I have never in my life been more excited to receive something like a mattress protector, but I'm super excited about these. Honestly, it kind of makes sense anyways because we bought the mattresses from Amazon, but like I said, we were trying to spread the spinning out, but we didn't realize it was going to take like a week after the mattresses got here to get the mattress protectors. Or I probably would have ordered the protectors first. So that's the only thing I already would have done different. It would be super easy tape to pull off. Also, I think it's more safe for the environment, question mark, because it's more like paper material. I don't know. I hope so. Also, it says the box is made with less material. Keeping this because this stuff makes great fillers for Christmas presents that I'm totally not already buying and hoarding up for my kid. Not hoarding, collecting for my children. So here's the reason why we ended up not getting the ones from Walmart is it was $20 for a single one on Walmart, a $21 for a single one on Amazon or at Walmart, or we get a 2-pack for $25, and it was the exact same protector. I don't understand it, but it was cheaper to buy two 2-packs than it was to buy them individually. And Walmart, even if we had bought them individually and paid more to have them like immediately, they only had one in stock for twin size. I get like it's back to school, college and all that, but it just seems like Walmart is having a harder time keeping like normal stuff in stock anyways. So yeah, the only thing I would change about this whole process is I would have bought these first and then the mattresses a week later. But they're here, they're ready. Let's get the rooms put together. So we're super excited because these just came in. So I explained it in the teens video because I'm doing the teen and twin rooms separate, or it would be like 2 hours long to do both rooms in one video. And we're also breaking it up over several videos because again, it's a process. And I mean, those of you who have done home renovations know it's a process. Even something as simple as switching the rooms around. But we ordered these from Amazon because number one, our Walmart is keeping or having a hard time keeping like normal supplies in stock. So I guess because it's back to school and we live in a very college heavy city, Knoxville, the reason why they couldn't keep it in stock is because that most of the twin mattresses weren't sold out. Number two, Walmart and Amazon wanted 20 for 1, but Amazon was going to do 25 for 2. We don't get it. Doesn't make sense. Don't understand. It's the exact same one. It's just one comes in a 2-pack, one comes in a 1-pack. We don't understand, but I went ahead and stacked these up so I could try to get some done. They didn't get much done, but we tried to stack them up so they could get stuff done. But right now, we're going to take the brand new mattresses. We're going to get the old ones out, get all the old bedding out, get it to the laundry, and we're going to put the covers on and put them where they go. It may take me a while to get through everybody's bedding because Matt and I have these really super soft microfiber pillows, and they literally took 7 hours to dry. And it was crazy. Like, we had to keep fluffing them, putting them back in, fluff them, putting them back in. And they're like, oh, it'll take 2. No, it took 7. So now I'm kind of behind on laundry. But super excited as you can hear my voice because this means that hopefully today, if not today, then tomorrow, we will be done having their rooms all turned around, completely organized, everything that they need, and have a space that they can all feel at home living in. So let's get this started. So here's the tween bunk bed before the new mattresses go on, and the after of having the new mattresses on the bed. I think they're slightly higher, but I think that'll be okay. Oh, that's going to be nice for them. I think they're a lot softer than the ones that they already had. The ones they had were specifically built for bunk beds, but I think this one is still low enough that it's not going to be an issue. So like, here's my hand here. If I zoom out, that's the top of the bed. That's still plenty of room for, like, you know, not worry about rolling out of bed or anything like that. I mean, guys, whenever I was staying at a college dorm in the summers for like a high school, it wasn't really AP anyways. I stayed at a college dorm for 2 summers. I preferred the bunk beds to have like roll bars and stuff on them. Like, I was terrified to sleep on top bunks if they didn't have them on there, because it's like you're already in a strange bed you're not used to, and then you don't want to have to worry about falling out. So that's really nice that this one has that all the way across. It has a smaller one on the back too, in case you wanted the bed like in the middle of a room. But the room designs for this house, this is 100% the only room of the kids' rooms, and the only way that this bed would fit between windows and doors. So this part's already taken care of. Now I have the hard part of rotating everybody's laundry through washer, dryer, all that, so that we can really get the beds made up and finish up. And in the meantime, we can kind of just ignore this in the under the bed space and focus on their toy shelves, toy units, and see if we can get the doll dressers down to just one doll dresser and get everything organized for the other half of the room.